want this for my birthday.
Try to be funny. What's up, you guys? It's Tamara, and today I'm obviously not alone. Today I'm here with Valeria.
Hi guys.
And we've actually known each other for a long time.
This video has been long awaited.
For real, we've actually
our friends.
Honestly, no, like we've known each other since we were like 6.
Yeah.
Like,
bro, we went to Las Vegas together.
That's how you know. And she actually models and like acts, and like I'm jealous of you. So today we're gonna be doing a really exciting video that we've been both wanting to do for a long time, and that is thrift with us.
We're gonna go thrifting. I've never been into a thrift store.
Me neither, and I'm so excited. Also, Valeria has a channel of her own, so you guys have to go check it out down below and subscribe and share the love. And yeah, I mean, I think that's all we have to say, right?
Okay.
So let's get started.
This is the designer section. Right now we're in the men's section because it's like good in the men's section. I want this for my birthday. So we found some stuff and we're gonna try it on. There's a line though. It's pretty full. I don't really know how I'm feeling about this. I feel like if she crops it would be cute. And then I just found this. It's pretty plain, but ew. No, it's actually cute. Can we just talk about these? This is not flattering at all. Cute. Ew. Okay, so we just got out and it wasn't that big of a success.
It was okay.
What? Oh my gosh.
Life's crazy.
It's one of those moments.
Basically, this trip to Goodwill wasn't that big of a success for me. I mean, there were some things, but I guess I just didn't dig deep enough. I did get two things, so I'm just going to show you guys. Basically, I was mainly looking for like sweatshirts and stuff, so I kind of got that. First off, I got this Roots Canada. Why is that so funny? Hoodie zip up. It's like one of those ones that like Brandy has. And then I also got just like crew neck sweater that just says Porsche design.
She designed the Porsche.
You already know. That's that. And I'm probably gonna like crop it. Those are the two things I got. Valeria got a lot more things than me. So I'm gonna link her video and her channel down below. You have to watch the video, do all that.
Basically see what I got.
Yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Give it a thumbs up. Follow both of us on Instagram.
Yes.
I'm trying to like grow my Instagram. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.
Bye.